Starts in 3, 2, 1, crescendo.
All right, we see the Blue Alliance new Apple Core not quite going to plan, but New Berlin Blitz, they're up with one note. Their partner's the same. Unfortunately, that second not quite working. Terra Cyborg looking to go up and just barely too high, knocking off the rim of that speaker. 11-14 is the score. Blue with the lead. Now coming into teleoperated. Both of these alliances, we see Red the first to strike on their amp, immediately pressing that co-op button. Not a question, not a doubt ever. We'll have to see if Blue does the same and that ranking threshold will be lowered, or if that note was in vain. However, we go to see Team 6574, another note in their amp. They are ready to amplify that speaker as soon as their partners come back with more notes. They're fighting with New Berlin Blitz over that note in the center, but now Red is ready to get those notes in the speaker and amplify that speaker. One up, courtesy of State Line Robotics. Another almost up from Terra Cyborg and Ferrodermis. Meanwhile, for the Blue Alliance, they're chipping away at the 2 points at a time with New Berlin Blitz and Hextra Hounds going note for note up there in that Alliance's speaker. Now the Hextra Hounds shifting their focus, going towards that amp. They're going to go for those high-value speaker amplified notes, and they're headed right back to their source zone to continue. New Apple Core, a note in tow, lined up against the subwoofer. Bang, right in there. Both of these alliances pretty well on their way to that melody ranking point. Of note, the Blue Alliance did opt to use their co-op button, and both of these alliances have a lower ranking point threshold. They're currently both amplified as well. A huge opportunity for either of these alliances to get out ahead, and Red might be the one to strike. However, it looks like both of the amplifications expired before anything could happen. 43-42, Red taking their first lead, and it's quickly taken back by the Blue Alliance with notes from New Apple Core and New Berlin Blitz. Hextra Hounds going out. They're going to deliver a note to their amplifier in a moment here. Ferrodermis up and in for the Red Alliance. Another 2 points for them. This lead is back and forth. It's 1 point swinging this way, that way for Blue, for Red. It really could come down to these climbs and potentially even some high notes from your human players. None for Red. We'll have to see what Blue can do. But we do see an attempt at all 3 climbs from the Red Alliance. Will all 6 robots make it up? No, unfortunately not. We have 2 up for Red, 2 up for Blue. Final score is going to be tight here in qualification match 34. All right, we have the scores. In the end, coming out victorious, the Red Alliance coming back from behind and taking the win 63-56. Those climbs coming in clutch. We see that they earned all 4 ranking points, the ensemble, the melody, and the 2 for the win.